Hello, party people. Hello. It's Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. I'm here today with a little bit of an unboxing from Softflex. However, you may notice that we have a different situation going on. I haven't quite got this whole background situation figured out yet, but this is our first video that we're doing in the new upstairs YouTube studio, so I'm excited about it. Things might be a little wonkety woo while we're trying to figure everything out, but here we are. So without further ado, we are going to take a look at today this little guy from Softflex. This is the Badlands, which I'm super excited about because I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm from there in North Dakota. So we literally live like 10 minutes from the North Unit. So I am excited to see what they have to offer. And yep, the Badlands Design Challenge Kit. Okay, so let's pop down to the mat, get this part started. Alrighty guys, so here we go with the Badlands Challenge Kit. So again, this is from Softflex. You want to swing over there. It's www.softflexcompany.com. I do believe at the time of this video they do have some of these kits left. So if you want to check it out, there you go. Okay. The back of this just tells us that if you do get the challenge kit, you do get an opportunity to win the next mystery kit by submitting your photos to their Facebook group. So also fun. I'm gonna have a little sip of coffee and we're gonna get this party started. I'm having a little trouble with my monitor. I can't really tell what's going on with that. So hopefully it's not crazy. All right. Rip right into that. We'll give this to Bunsen. And here we go. So I'm just going to dump this to the side right here. We'll go through them one by one. Okay, they have provided me a list, but I'm not going to take a look at that list till after we're done looking. Okay, so we're going to start out with the star of the show here, which is the Softflex beading wire. So it looks like they have provided metallics this time, copper color, which I do actually have a number of metallics, so I really enjoy this one. I love copper, so yeah, this is great. So this is medium, size medium. We're going to be using that with size 2 crimp tubes. Usually they do provide those. As you can see, it does a test strength of 26 pounds. So that's what we're looking at. I'm going to put that over here for the time being. No, over here. All right, we do have this Jesse James Elements Badlands. We're going to put this off to the side. We'll go through that later. There's a couple of strands here. So these appear to be dyed quartz. Nope, maybe they're check glass. Let me double check the sheet. I'm pretty sure they're check glass. One in teal and one in kind of a coppery brown. Check glass amber colored rondelles, check glass turquoise colored rondelles. Okay, so yes. Okay. And we have a couple of baggies of little items here. You know, it's got to be careful for the staples so don't bite you. And here are our copper colored crimp tubes in size 2. So that's what we'll be using with our beading wire. And here we have a little mix of business. Okay, so this is a little pendant. This is looking kind of like a Greek copper compass kind of situation. Very primitive. I'm not mad at it at all. Quite enjoy that. I don't know if that is what they are calling this. Yeah, it just says 26 millimeter copper plated weathered compass. So, yeah. It's quite nice. Got that. And then we've got a little mix of beads. So we've got some copper earring wires. Can make some earrings. We've also got a lobster claw. And looks like a few porcelain guys here with a larger hole. Those are quite fun. A couple of copper colored check glass rondelles. Very pretty. And then we got these guys. Now I don't know what the shape on these is, but they're quite fun. Like those a lot. I'm gonna call it just a little fat pyramid. We got these little fat pyramid beads, check glass. So those are nice. And then we have the mix. Okay, so I'm gonna put these guys into this little cup so they're not messing with my camera. And put these over here. This. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the Badlands from Jesse James. Now these mixes are designed specifically for Softflex, so you can only get them through Softflex. I don't know if it's only through the design kit. It might be. So let's take a look at these. This looks to be a bunch of different things. Okay. Okay, so first of all, we got two of these guys. These are looking like a imitation brass and lapis inlay. Now these are not looking like these ones look new. I mean, they're fine. I like them, but these are not like the genuine ones from like Afghanistan or anything like that. They're super cute. There's also these. These are cute. These look like a two-tone glass. Oh, we've got quite a mix here. Okay, we've got 4 of these matte gold larger Chinese crystals. Probably like a 12, I would guess. Ooh. Okay. So here we have this guy. This guy is an alabaster. I believe he's supposed to be an AB situation. But, oh, you can't see. Come on. But again, I don't know if you can see this big white spot in the middle. That's where all the AB has been scratched off on the side. This one's in a lot better condition than this one. But again, if you wanted to use them as a pair, I don't know how well that's going to go. We've got some amber colored crystals, the golf ball facets. And we've got these little crystal drops in blue. Again, mine are a little beat up here on the edge. You can see that they're not looking super lovely, but I think the other 3 can be saved. Oh, they've sent a couple extra. Well, lovely. It's like just a couple of them are a little beat up. Here we've got some little cubes. We've got some metal. I like the metal. They did send all red and bronze metal, different types of metal. I really do like that they are sticking to one metal color when they're doing these. Recently I've noticed that they're doing these one metal colors, which is great. So I do like that. I just don't know if packaging the metal with the crystals is a great idea, because I think that's how we're tending to get a bunch of beads that are kind of got nicks and stuff, but you know, here we are. These guys are cute. These are little teal, look like little teal dyed hematites, possibly. Not hematites. They're not hematites. What are they? Howlite. Sorry, howlite. We've got some little crystals, another couple little glass. Here's some more metal. There's one little ring here. Is there another ring? I hope so. That would be cute for earrings. I only see one. Maybe I could use it for like my end of my clasp. Here we have a couple of porcelain guys. Those guys are quite cute. And they do have a larger hole, so those might go really well with those other porcelain ones we got over there if we wanted to do some leather doings. And here we have some more amber colored crystals. Okay, so that is the Jesse James Mix Badlands. So let me bring it all back in here. Okay, so let's see if I can zoom up a little bit. Woo, I'm always going the wrong way. All right, so there we go. This is what the entirety of the kit looks like. I do think it's very cute. I think my favorite part of the box is clearly going to be the pendant. I do have a number of ideas for this. By the way, Thunderhorse Descendant is a working studio. If you hear lawnmowers, people moving around, that's just work, it's just work happening. Don't worry about that. It's just like got really loud all of a sudden. But yeah, I really do like this. It's very much my, you know, my style, kind of primitive, worn, that kind of thing. So I am excited about that. I do actually enjoy this yellow copper, and even with the blue, you know, together. I didn't know if I was going to dig that so much, but I kind of do. These could go really well in here with these and these guys here. But we do have these as well, so those might be looking kind of cute in there. I like those. I do enjoy the red, the whole coppery of everything. I really do like that. So yeah. This is where we're at with it. So this has been the Badlands. Now, according to the sheet, we have the Soft Flex copper colored medium beading wire, which is this, the 2x2 crimps, the earring wires, the 12mm copper lobster clasp, the check glass turquoise colored rondelles, and the amber colored rondelles, and the Jesse James mix. And that's the entirety of the box. Okay, so this box is, or bundle, I guess. Oh, and then it goes on to say about the orange nugget beads, weathered compass, light brown beryl beads, and chili pepper colored beads, 9x8. So those must be this. So they said these are orange, glass check orange nugget beads. Now, you know how me and Shannon like to argue about colors over here. I'll argue this is not orange. Orange is my favorite color. What are we doing? This is yellow. Why is my camera not focusing? Is it me? I don't think it's me. Anyway, so that's what we got going on. So, there you go. I hope you guys are enjoying this very first video in the upstairs YouTube studio, and we're going to be making a project. So I'm going to cut this guy short. I hope you guys all have a lovely, spectacular, amazing beading day. I'm sorry I've been quite absent on the YouTube for a little hot minute. We've been rearranging the studio. We're hiring new people. We got people are out. Randy is shipping. Things are crazy. That's just us over here, the Thunder House, the keeper of all the things and all of the stuff. Okay, we're also working on a Christmas stuff, which is super fun. So hopefully we could get back into regularly scheduled YouTube videos now that I got my table together. So I hope you guys have a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, interact with the video. It's really good for, I gotta stop hitting the table apparently. Look at that. Can't do that. I'm really serious about it. Really serious. Smash the subscribe button. You guys. All right, I hope you have a good day. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.